Right, so something for you to try if you're the kind of person who uses a lot of rat traps. So I thought of this safety device, and it's just simple, just a bent piece of aluminium. You don't want to go much thinner than that, which I can't actually tell. Actually, I might be able to tell you how thick this is. It's about 3 mil, so you don't want to go no thinner than 3 mil in my opinion. You probably could make this out of wood, but it's got to be relatively flat and thin on the bottom. So it's a bent piece of aluminium. It's got another bend there, but that's not absolutely necessary. That's just like a further safety device. And the way you use it is you pull your bar of your rat trap over, and then you just slide that over the top. And then, to be honest, you could set this one-handed now, and it won't go off, and it won't snap your fingers, because this is stopping it. The slight curve at the end was just in case it did somehow get pulled right back to there, it shouldn't come off, because that's just slightly just lipping over the bar. And what you would do, so you set it, once it's set, you just slide that out from underneath it and use that on another one. It's not absolutely needed, but you know, people who get fed up of getting caught in them, whatever, or you're doing a lot of them, some of these might be handy. You can just carry that around, you know, put that onto your thing, set that one-handed. It won't get you, like I said, because it's hitting that. You could even put it over this bar as well if you wanted to, if it'll fit. And the only thing you've got to remember is however much you bend the piece of aluminium or cut out of a piece of wood, it's got to be able to pull back over the top like that. If you have it too tight, it won't set and it won't pull back over, if you know what I mean. It's got to be. This one is about, but you know, a lot of these traps are different. This one is about 3.5 centimeters, that gap there. So I think if you're doing them quite a lot, I think that's a thing worth making. Very simple to make. Like I said, you could just make it out of wood probably. You can even set them one-handed. Right, anyway, that's that. Simple. I think if I come up with any other ideas, you may be able to do it out of, possibly, if you had a long enough nail, a big bent over nail, anything like that. Anything will just slide over there and stop that bar rising. Right, anyway, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.